Hi, it's Amy with Glitter Glue and Fairy Dust. Thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to give you a quick hack on how to store your ribbon. This will be a game changer if you're not already doing it. You go to the Dollar Tree and you get some one of these crates. It has to have holes in the side. Then get some bamboo skewers and some tiny clothespins. Weave your ribbon on the one side, cut the bamboo skewers off after you put the clothespins on the side so that it can hold it like a little cotter pin. It's a game changer. It makes things easy to organize and you can do it by season or theme. I love this. It's worked so well for me. Hey, I hope you have a great day. I hope to see you again. Click, subscribe, share, and please like if you could. Love your comments and love to hear from you. I hope your day is wonderful.